Today's clip is brought to you by Envision.
So, we started the project in early 2014, and one thing we liked about the synthetic biology approach as opposed to maybe the tissue engineering approach, because that's another sort of technology you could use, using stem cells and things like that. We felt that the synthetic biology approach would work quicker to get us prototypes, and it did. So we were able to basically, construct some prototypes. So there's kind of like two parts to a startup like this, like Clara Foods or us. There's a formulation approach where you try to, using the constituent molecules, create the object itself, but you may source them from all over the place. You don't care. You're just trying to see could we put Humpty Dumpty back together again. And then there's this other approach, which is basically swapping out those molecules, like I said earlier, with maybe more exact copies of what might actually be in the model organism you're trying to replicate. And so, with the formulation stuff here, we were able to make great progress formulating stuff initially from sheep's wool. So that's a keratin. That's a protein that's found in rhino horn. It's a family of proteins, actually. It's a structural.
The keratin.
Keratin, yeah. And so what we've done now is we're starting to swap out the keratin we derive from sheep's wool with keratin derived from rhinoceros. But what we're doing is finding the genes, putting those genes inside yeast. The yeast will then secrete the proteins. You purify them, and then you put them back in and remove the sheep's wool from the process.
Got it. Hey, everybody, let me tell you a little bit about Envision app. I use Envision app all the time with my designer, my product manager, my growth team to share mock-ups of our products. We take those mock-ups and we design them and we send them to clients, to partners, to investors. And we say, here is an Envision link. Open this on your iPhone, on your Android phone, and you can click through and see what this product that we're making is like. And when we're building websites, hey, put your comments on there. We have a partner. We have a big Smart Camp thing going on with IBM, Smart Camp 2015. We can use Envision to share that website and say, hey, is there anything you want to change? And then have a threaded discussion. You can take all those discussions off of email, all those discussions out of the chat room. Listen, email and chat rooms have their place, but not in product design. Envision is like Slack, but for product design, right? So you have Slack for a general conversation. You have Gmail for asynchronous communication. You have Envision for product excellence. You cannot make a great product without Envision. I am dead serious about that. Every startup I invest in, I show it to them. They ask them to send me links, and boy, does it work. It supercharges everything you do. I love this product. I love this product. I love this product. Get out of email, get out of chat rooms, and do what Twitter, Airbnb, Evernote, Adobe, and many more are doing. Prototype what you're doing in Envision. It just makes designers and teams and founders so much more efficient. Go to envisionapp.com/twist for 90 days free. That's their starter plan, free for 90 days, only at envisionapp.com/twist, envisionapp.com/twist. And everybody thank Envision App on Twitter. I thank them for making a great product and for supporting independent media like This Week in Startups. Let's get back to this amazing episode.